Matsue. We're not going to take any pictures or anything, we're just on our way to the train station right now, from where we have a bus going to port, from where we have a boat going to the Oki Islands. And then we're not sure what exactly we're gonna do. There's some bike rentals, but our very fancy accommodation for the night is kind of not really in a place where you can rent a bike, so we're not sure whether we're gonna rent a bike and then go to our accommodation or let them pick us up or something. But we'll figure that out once we get there. First up, bus/train station. Port, and the first surprise is that it's actually really busy. The bus that we came with, it was full, and in Japan what they do is with the buses is that normally when you have a bus you have two seats, and they also have a middle row where you have a seat that you can kind of just unfold, and then you can create an extra seat in the middle. So the whole row was basically the bus was full with 5 people rows, all the way to the back. It was pretty interesting, and right now we are at the port, and it's already full as well, and there's actually 2 ferries as well, so yeah, a lot of people. But I think a lot of people, half the people probably are not going to the island that we are going to, so it might not be that bad. And so it's we're just waiting for the ferry to leave in 30 minutes, and then it's 3 hours until we reach the port, or 2.5 hours. So. Welcome to the Oki Islands. And we are back in the future. What happened was that the wind was very strong, so you couldn't hear out the audio inside the clip. So I'm just gonna paraphrase quickly. We just arrived at the port. The boat ride was very rocky, and I got seasick a bit. And we were just going to go to a restaurant where we had Sazae Curry. Sazae is a small kind of snail that's local to the Oki Islands. It's a very, very interesting dish. You're gonna see a video in a moment. And then when we went via taxi to our accommodation because we couldn't rent a bike. The problem was the rental was in town, in the port, and our Ryokan or accommodation was in another part, so we couldn't get the bike, get there, get back, and get put back to our accommodation. So so back to normal programming now, and the future is scary, so take care. can see, the view is really nice. We're looking out on some kind of sea. I think it's the Japanese Sea. I'm not sure. And yeah, it's like a typical Japanese style tatami floor room with like a table in the middle. I think we're gonna probably eat lunch here, judging by the marks of other cups. A lot of people ate lunch here before. And yeah, that's the one room. Got a mirror, got a wardrobe, and then we got like a small, really small bathroom here. But yeah, the main part is really the view, because yeah, it's pretty damn good, to be honest. So yeah, right now let me just flip this around again. So right now the plan is to just go to the Kuniga Coast, which is around an hour away walking. So we're probably gonna take a taxi there, which is like we're gonna make it like 10-20 minutes or something, and then walk back instead. I think it's over there I want to say. I'm not sure though. And yeah, then in the evening it's gonna be onsen time, because we have hot springs bath. And so far what I've seen, we are the only people staying here, but it's only 2 p.m. so some other people might arrive a bit later. But yeah, it's time to head out, because this room is getting really hot, so better get out. That's it for the hiking. I think it was fun. Do you think?
Yeah, it was.
And yeah, we took a taxi back as well. Unfortunately, we figured out that apparently I ordered the wrong pocket Wi-Fi. So my data usage is already over. So I'm gonna have to get.
I was always telling you, whenever you have free Wi-Fi spot, you usually use those.
Yeah, I thought I had 50 gigabytes, but apparently I only have 5. Whatever.
550.
So yeah, right now we are just waiting or packing up our stuff, and then we're gonna have a bath in the onsen. I don't think I can take a camera in there.
No.
Probably not. But I can maybe show you a picture of what it looks like from the website or something. And after that we're gonna have dinner downstairs.
A fancy dinner.
Yeah, really fancy dinner with
Hopefully,
yeah. But it's gonna be downstairs, right? Yeah. And then we're gonna have our futons here, and yeah, it's gonna be it for today and tomorrow. Unfortunately, the forecast is rain, so we're not sure exactly what we're gonna do. But we're not staying here we're staying in the city town for another night, so we might go check out something here, or since it's in the next to the port anyways, maybe go for a day trip to another island. And then on the third day we're gonna go to, well, another island, the main island kind of, because there's a ferry we can take 2 days from now in the morning. And yeah, so I guess it's gonna be it for today. You're gonna see some lovely food footage. Hopefully it's gonna be lovely. And then yeah, see you tomorrow, where we are gonna do I don't know what, depending on if it rains or not. But good night.